Hi guys, this is gsm.com and I'm here with the brand new Motorola RAZR 60 Ultra. It's March now, it's coming on April 24th. I can reveal some things to you. So it comes in a Rio red as well as a special version, this one here with authentic real wood, actually wood from a tree. And as well it has this black version here. It's called Scarab. It's actually green. You can see here it has stitches. It feels like a rug a bit. And this is a leather imitation. Another novelty for the phone is that if you look at the side, you have here the volume buttons and power button, but there's also a brand new AI button which triggers the AI features. Now, I've heard that it comes with a bigger battery, a more powerful processor, probably Snapdragon 8 Elite, we'll see, just a rumor so far. Plenty of RAM, 12 gigs probably, and a lot of AI features. AI for the camera, AI for productivity, AI for day-to-day functioning, like you can do a summary of notifications, you can generate images with a canvas feature and more. I cannot turn them on yet, they're still in beta testing, but on April 24 we're going to learn more once they're launched. So basically, new colors, new materials, new Pantone collaboration, and a lot of AI. That's the feature for the new Motorola RAZR 60 Ultra. There should also be a regular RAZR 60 with a lower price, I think.